Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix screen resolution problem in Windows 11. So maybe your screen resolution, you see black bars, maybe your taskbar is funny. So what you can do here first is simply you can reset your GPU by pressing Shift, CTRL, Windows key and B all together, and then the problem should fix. If for some reason the hotkey is not working, you can change it manually. What you need to do here, you just need to go to search and then go to settings, open up settings. On settings, you need to go to system, then display, and then here you should see a scale and display resolution. I like to be on recommended. This means my basically screen will not look funny, but you can test it different resolutions here for yourself and look what fits for you best. And also scale, you can change scale as well if you want to. Here maybe it's too zoom in for you, you can zoom out or otherwise, but here you can change the things as well. And if this did not work, what I suggest to do here is to open up Device Manager and then look for a display adapters, and then look for your GPU, and then you just update drivers and restart your computer. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.